Brian, what's going on? I think Brian is from Brazil, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. That's another common saying. It's like, I think I'm right, but correct me if I'm wrong. He says, what does it mean to be on the radar? On the radar. Good question. We use this all the time. I use this as a teacher at my school all the time. It means when you're thinking about it, when you put a special little place in your brain to remember. So let's say a student of mine was struggling. Maybe they had a bad day. Maybe they fell asleep in class. Like one day, everybody's tired. So maybe that student was tired. But if they start falling asleep more often, I might put them on my radar. Like I might put it in the back of my mind. I might think about calling home, checking in with the parents to see if everything is okay. So if you're very busy at work and you need to do something, but you can't do it right away, you might say, oh, it's on my radar. I might have to do it tomorrow. But radar is a way to track airplanes, or at one time it was. So it just means to pay special attention to something. It's on my radar. Hey, my wife might ask me, hey, have you paid the power bill? She pays the bills, but no, it's on my radar. I'll write a check tomorrow. So it just means you're thinking about it. Good question.